Jai Hind students, this is next lecture for class 11th history, chapter number 2, writing and city life. So, in our previous lecture we had learned that about the social system of the Mesopotamia and its nearby cities, that where it was situated, and how rivers of Tigris and Euphrates were helpful for them. And now we will proceed in this chapter, the significance of urbanism. City and towns are not just places where large population, it is when an economy develops in sphere other than food productions, what it's being an advantage for pupils to cluster in towns. So mostly in the cities what happened, that it was uh, a place where so many type of business and trade, such manufacturing, all that things were happened. So by side of the food production, trade, manufacturing and other type of services were available in urban system. As per that reason, urban economy was uh, so systematic, civilized, and case of self sufficiency and depend on the products and service on other cities or village peoples. So for the services and product, they were also depend upon other cities by the medium of the trades. And here is another thing: stone seal requires bronze tools that he themselves cannot make, and colored stones from the seals that does not known that where to get. So they they trade for the tools, bronze tools, seals, stones for another nation, we can say, or anything we can say, from where they trade. But actually it is not very clear that from where these types of trade were happened. Metal like copper, bronze, tin, etc. were used, and it is uh, come here by the trades. Charcoal is used. Charcoal was used as a fuel at that time. That was the very basic needs, regular supply needs, which come from different areas. Labors is a mark of urban life. So division of labor was the mark of urban life. This organized trade and strong in its need in the supply system from such of food and other things. Systems of pupils commanded, and those uh, other obey them. So Here what happened, the system, some pupils give commands and other than obey. So it is a type of system was applied there. Or there is one thing more, that they keeping the written records of all these matters. So some persons were took charge to regulate, and some person have to obey the orders as per proper regulation system.